Greetings, adventurers. Welcome to Travel Tips and Tricks, your ultimate guide to exploring the world. Our mission is simple: to equip you with the knowledge you need to make every journey a memorable one. We're here to help you pack smarter, travel further, and discover the hidden gems that make this world such a fascinating place to explore. We're all about turning ordinary into extraordinary, the mundane into the magical. We believe every corner of the earth has a story to tell, and we're eager to help you uncover them. Today we're setting sail on a new adventure, one that will take us to the farthest reaches of the globe. We're talking about places that defy explanation, landscapes that push the boundaries of what we thought possible. 10 destinations so strange, so unique, they'll leave you questioning reality itself. So stick around as we embark on an exciting journey to discover the world's most outlandish landscapes. Imagine a fiery pit that's been burning non-stop for over 40 years. Welcome to the door to hell in Turkmenistan. This geological anomaly, a cavernous gas field, was set alight by Soviet petrochemical scientists in 1971 and has been ablaze ever since. Its glow can be seen for miles around, casting an otherworldly light into the night sky. It's a potent symbol of nature's untamed power, a strange, captivating allure that draws in the curious and the brave. It's a sight that's as mesmerizing as it is eerie. Ever seen gigantic spherical stones scattered on a beach? Welcome to the Meraki Boulders, New Zealand's peculiar seaside spectacle. These boulders, each a marvel in its own right, are naturally formed concretions crafted by Mother Nature over millions of years. Their size and symmetry are a testament to the relentless power of time and the elements. A visit to these geological wonders offers a glimpse into our planet's fascinating past. It's like stepping onto an alien planet. Dive into the world's largest sea hole. Picture this, a circular submarine sinkhole off the coast of Belize, known as the Great Blue Hole. A geological marvel formed over tens of thousands of years. It's a diver's paradise filled with stalactites and stalagmites. The azure blue water and the stunning marine life make it a surreal underworld experience. From the thrill of the descent to the awe-inspiring underwater views, diving here is a deep-sea adventure like no other. Imagine a multicolored alien-like geyser in the middle of the desert. Welcome to Fly Geyser in Nevada, USA. This vibrant, surreal wonder is a testament to the unexpected beauty that can result from human error. Its rainbow hues are thanks to thermophilic algae thriving in the geyser's warm, mineral-rich waters. Created accidentally during a well drilling operation in the 60s, Fly Geyser continues to grow and change, sculpted by the very forces that brought it into existence. A truly out-of-this-world sight. Fancy a swim in a bubblegum pink lake? Now that's not a question you hear every day, but it's exactly what you might ask when you lay eyes on Lake Hillier in Australia. This lake, with its vibrant pink hue, is an outlandish spectacle that never fails to intrigue. The reason for its unusual color? Scientists believe it's due to a combination of algae and bacteria, but the true nature of its pinkness remains a mystery. It's a pink paradise that's hard to believe until you see it. Welcome to the most alien-looking place on Earth. Nestled in the Indian Ocean, Socotra Island, Yemen, is a spectacle of nature's creativity. Home to a staggering array of unique flora and fauna, this island has been shaped by centuries of isolation. From the umbrella-like dragon's blood trees to the peculiar bottle trees, the landscape seems to defy reality. The island's rich biodiversity is a testament to the resilience and adaptability of life. It's like stepping into a real-life sci-fi movie. Ever seen hills that look like giant chocolate kisses? Welcome to the Chocolate Hills of the Philippines, a visual treat that's as intriguing as it is beautiful. With over 1,000 individual mounds, these peculiar hills have a fascinating tale. Their formation is a result of thousands of years of weathering of marine limestone. During the dry season, the grass covering the hills turns brown, giving them their chocolatey appearance. They're a must-visit, offering a unique blend of nature and whimsy, a sight that's as delicious as it is delightful. Walk on the world's largest mirror. Welcome to Salar de Uyuni, Bolivia, a marvel of nature's artistry. This vast salt flat formed by prehistoric lakes stretches over 10,000 square kilometers. The salt crust, so white and expansive, creates an illusion of walking on clouds. During the rainy season, a thin layer of water transforms this landscape into a perfect reflection of the sky above, creating a surreal, dreamlike experience. It's a place where the sky and the ground become one. Discover the icy towers that breathe smoke. Welcome to the southernmost active volcano on Earth, Mount Erebus. Here, the intense heat from the volcano meets the freezing Antarctic temperatures, creating spectacular ice towers. These towers aren't just beautiful, they're alive, exhaling volcanic gases through their icy chimneys. This harsh environment where fire meets ice is a testament to the power and unpredictability of nature. It's a sight that's as awe-inspiring as it is eerie. It's a frozen wonderland like no other. Loved our journey to the strangest places on Earth? We're sure you did. Just imagine the thrill of experiencing these outlandish landscapes firsthand. The world is brimming with places that defy explanation and challenge our understanding of nature. And we're committed to bringing these hidden gems to your screens, but our journey doesn't stop here. There's so much more to explore, so many more mysteries to unravel. And we want you to be a part of this grand adventure. So if you've enjoyed today's tour and want to discover more, do subscribe to our channel, Travel Tips and Tricks. We have a world of wonders waiting for you right here. And guess what? We'd also love to hear from you. Got some unique travel experiences or suggestions for our next video? Feel free to share. We're all ears. Remember, every journey is an adventure when you're with us. So what are you waiting for? Join us on Travel Tips and Tricks, and let's make every journey an adventure.